Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and in that video, guys, we're going to analyze for you here the Bitcoin in the daily. So for long-term investment, then we're going to analyze for you the economical data or economical calendar, what is coming. Plus, we're going to analyze for you the Bitcoin in the 4 hours here. Then we're going to go to 30 minutes. We analyze for you the Bitcoin there in 30 minutes. And we're going to analyze for you a little bit of the on-chain to know exactly what the crypto market is doing. So let's start our lesson of today, guys. As you see, guys, here, the daily candle is finished here. It gave us something nice here. It gave us that pin bar. That's something very good, guys. But today, now it's Saturday and tomorrow it's Sunday. So Saturday and Sunday, there is no big volume, guys. Me personally, I think the market is going to stay sideways here, like how we be in here. If you remember it here, we be in Saturday and Sunday. Then it came those days. We go up. That one here, it's been the Monday candle. And I tell you Monday, you need to look at it. Then look what happened. Now, us, we have the same thing, guys, here. That one will finish here now. Is the candle of Friday. Then it's going to come the Saturday candle, then Sunday, then till Monday, guys. We're going to stay here. There is nothing new. And here in the daily, guys, what I told you we need to look at a very close eye at that level here. What we're going to do, either we're going to break up here and we will enter long, or we're going to break down and we will enter short. So for long here, in the daily, there is no buying, no selling yet, guys. Also, we're still here sideways. So if you are a long-term investor, they say, forget about all that. Once a month, once a week, you are in a very, very, very nice place to DCA and to buy in discount. And CZ of Binance, he said something very, very, very important today, guys. He said, 1 Bitcoin, it's still equal 1 Bitcoin. What that meant? That meant, guys, 1 Bitcoin is still 1 Bitcoin. It doesn't lose his value. He said who lose the value is the fiat currencies. Picture is very, 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 very clear, guys. 1 Bitcoin, it doesn't lose his value. Who lose the value is the fiat currency. The fiat currency is the US dollar, all those things. So here, try to buy once a week, once a day, if you could, once a month. Just buy and store the Bitcoin. The only thing I tell it to you, use a hard wallet. Don't use exchanges. Don't leave your Bitcoin in exchanges. Yes, you need the exchange to buy, but use a hard wallet to store your Bitcoin. Picture is too clear? By the way, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, guys, every day we put in for you 2 videos. Every day 2 videos. One after European market close or the time of European market close, and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now. It's not something hard, my friend. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into see the economical data, guys. Here it is, the economical data for tomorrow, guys. We don't got nothing here. The only thing we got is that one, guys. That way me I want to come here. Is our friend here. Look at that, what it's telling you here, guys. Everything is red. And if you don't watch the last video, go back and watch it. The last video, what else we said about here? Why all US stocks, they are red here. What else we said? We talk about the report of unemployment rate in USA. And that one is got a very, very bad impact to the stock market. Yes or no? But for long-term investors in stock market, in crypto, because the crypto now, they are very, very correlated to the Nasdaq, guys, and the SP 500 are very, very correlated. What else we said here? We talk about that one, guys. That one also we been followed for long. People they been with me, we been followed. What is it, that one? That one is the VIX, guys. Look at it. What it's indicating to you? Also we are below 20, guys. Also we are below 20. That's a historical moment, guys. That a historical moment. Anyone got any penny hiding somewhere, go and buy Bitcoin. I'm telling that to you now, believe me or no. Wait 1 year up from here and you're going to come to me and you're going to say, oh, us in December we've been telling you that. You got money, go buy Bitcoin, go buy stock market. Forget about everything. Go buy SP 500, buy big blue chips, and forget about everything. That one here, guys, is the measurement of scarcity. It's telling us we are in the bottom, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let me show you something else. Is going to tell you we are in the bottom, guys. Let me show it to you. Here we are, guys. That one, his name stock flow. That one I explained it thousands of times, but it's okay to repeat it. As you see that line here, those ones here, and that one here, and even here, those was the time of the halving cycle. The next halving cycle, guys, when is going to be? In 2024. Yes or no? But when is going to start, guys? Look here with me. Focus it with me about that color here. Focus it here. Now the color, how it's become here. Light blue. A little bit darker, but not that dark like here. Like here. Look here. Look here. And look here. See all the 3 times what's happening. Look here. Look here. And look here. What it telling you? It's telling you we are very, very, very close to the bottom, guys. That's what me I told you, guys. Go buy Bitcoin now. Forget about everything. Go and buy Bitcoin now. We are very, 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 very close, guys. Picture is too clear, guys. And where is the target? Here, 100k. That's where we're going to take profit, guys. And also we are with you, guys. When it's going to be the right time, like here, like how it used to be here, like how it used to be here, we're going to tell it to you, guys. Picture is too clear, guys. Now it's going back to the chart to show you more. What is it there? Here, our indicator, guys. What else we said here? We are here at the oversold area level. We used to be in a very stronger level here. But when else we're going to know that one here is the bottom? When else we will know it? Here. Because fundamentally, also we're looking very, very, very great now. There is nothing going to stop that market. Fundamentally, we are very, very great. But look here, I showed you that one before, but it's okay to repeat it now. What did I told you? I told you about the white calf here. What did I told you? I told you that one it need to come back inside here. Yes or no? I tell that to you. If it came back inside here, that's the bottom, guys. And here now, where should us we enter long? Look here, that's the place where we got in that inside bar. And now the Bitcoin giving us here a head and shoulder. That head and shoulder, also we analyze it, we said the Bitcoin is going to go till here. But where should us we enter if we break in here, guys? Why? Our indicator is that the oversold level, we are in a very stronger level. All those things, they are completed, guys. And another thing here, look, I'll show you even that one in the previous videos, guys. What we got here? We got a down channel, guys. So it's might from here we're going to go till here. But if we break in just here, just that level here, the Bitcoin is going to take off, guys. That's what may have been telling you when we are here. What did I used to tell you? I told you when you enter into the plane, when you enter, not when the plane is taking off. You enter to the plane when the plane is in the floor, stopped, you sit in, you close your belt at the right time for you. It's the same thing, guys, now. That's what me being telling you. All that news, all those things, they are just fibs. Forget about them. Those ones, they just misleading you. And some people, they said 10k. No one know exactly where is the bottom, guys. Picture is too clear, guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. By the way, I know you are a subscriber. This much like button, my friend. Go ahead and do it. Please support us. You know that channel without you can growing up. So please pause the video now. Yes, you. I'm talking to you. Pause the video, smashing the like button, writing down a comment. Support us, guys. Also, we've been with you that about 4 months or 5 months. Until now, the channel is growing up very slow. So please support us. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Here in the 4 hours, guys, also where we enter long. We enter from here, from that candle here. We used to be here. I told you to try to protect yourself and take some of the profit. Now what it's showing to you here, look at it, make like that. And me, what did I told you? I told you all the week we're going to stay here, in that place here. Not all the week, today and tomorrow. We're going to stay here, guys. Saturday and Sunday, we're going to stay here till Monday. The same thing like how it happened here. If you remember it, that one here, from Friday till Monday. Then Monday, we make that small correction down. Then after that, we take off. Same thing is going to happen, guys, here. It's going to give us here a flag like that. Then after that is going to continue upwards, guys. Same thing. If you remember me, I show you here. We got here a flag in the previous videos. What did I told you here? I told you got a flag here. Let's bring for you the target. Exactly. Look at it. You see it or not? Same thing is going to do here. It's going to give you here a flag. Then it's going to go. And when next week finish it, I'm going to come back to you. Picture is too clear. And what did I told you here? For us to enter short. What me I told you? I just said it in the last video, guys. I told you, look here. We got here a up channel. What mean a up channel? We are in a uptrend. And I show you all that in the last video. I told you it might from that one is going to come down. When should us we enter short, guys? If that one came and breaking down here. If it came and breaking down here, we'll enter short. or it will give us here a double top or something like that. That's the right time for us to enter short. Now there is no entry short yet, guys. Yes, also we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. Look at it. We are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. But should we enter short? No. Also we don't enter because we are in a stronger supply and demand zone. We need a price action indicating for us the market is going to reverse. Picture is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicators with the same for picture to be more clear to you. The one here, also we enter from here, from the oversold area. We be in here, I told you protect yourself. Look what it's doing here. And another thing here, let's show it to you with the chart. Focus it with me what I'm going to do, guys. Look from that peak here to the one here. And look from that one to that one. What that meant to you, guys? That a hidden divergence, guys. That his name a hidden divergence. The one here and the one here. That's a hidden divergence. The hidden divergence is the opposite of a divergence, a real divergence, guys. It's the opposite of it. What is telling you that one? It's telling you that one is a continuation pattern. The price it will go higher, like how we show it to you before here, if you remember it here. Now, where should we enter long? If it's breaking here, that last high here, if it came a candle and breaking here, you enter long, guys. A candle came and breaking here, you enter long, guys. Remember that. Picture is too clear, guys. Also, we are very close, but I told you, if it came and breaking here, look at it. Like that, that's a hiding divergence. If it came in the chart and breaking for the last high of that peak here, that one do like that, you enter long. It's going to enter to the overbought area, guys. Picture is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, us here, we are at the overbought area. But that one, guys, is just an oscillator. It might you enter from here till here down. So now what shall you do? If it came a break in here, look at it here. You enter long, guys. You go in with it. Because till now, us, yes, we got that one. Look at it. That one here. We got that up channel. But for us to enter short, it need to come and to break lower here. If it's break lower here, 100% we're going to go till 10K, guys. But till now, us, we still going up. And us, we benefiting from all that. Us, we enter from here, from that candle here. Here in that zone, we protect ourselves. We moving the stop loss up. And if it go up more, we taking more profit, guys. Picture is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes, guys, to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, us where we enter short. People they be with us. We enter here in that level here. Where we put in the stop, we put it here. In that zone, here. Yes or no? Where me I told you to take profit here. Here exactly. What it's showing now, guys. Look at it. It's going back upward. Did it hit for us the stop loss? No, my friend. Us we enter from here. Stop loss of us is it here. Now it's going upward. We don't know. Maybe it's going to fall down again. Till now, us we are not sure what's going to happen, guys. And another thing, look at it here. What you got here? You got here a triangle and it's being broken here. Yes or no? But now, if it's came and break in here, what should you do? Nothing, my friend. You don't have nothing to do. You just need to wait. What's going to happen? Let's see our indicators were the same for picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it gives us here a divergence. And us, we don't see it at that time. I'm sorry for that. Now it's going upward. And now you are at the overbought area, guys. Yes or no? But, guys, now where we are here at the overbought area. Should we enter short, guys? Us, we got a short order from here, guys. Look at it. From here, when it's breaking, us, we enter short. The stop loss is it here. We're waiting now. If it's going to give us another short or another price action to enter short. If it's not, it's going to fall down more. Picture is too clear, guys. Let's see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, guys, also we enter short because we used to have here a divergence as you see it here, and we got a price action is breaking here. But tell now what it's showing, guys, here. What it's showing to you here. Same thing, guys. You got a hidden divergence here. So now if that one came and breaking here, that last low here is going to fall down more. So us the take profit of us it's staying here, guys. Tomorrow when I came back to you, it's going to hit for us the take profit. Then also we will looking for a buy opportunity. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you after European market close or the time of European market close. And don't forget to support us, guys. Bye for now, guys.